Welcome. Asclepius Wellness Private Limited. Present. Great opportunity. Happiness, health, wealth, opportunity. Have a look. When we purchase from any brand showroom like Big Bazaar Etsy, we will get card, and on every purchase we will get some reward points. On that reward point we will get some gift. But when we will purchase product from Asclepius through distributor code, we will get up to 20% discount on each and every product of Asclepius Wellness with sales points on every purchase. On that sales point we will get a wonderful opportunity to earn extra income. How to become a direct seller. Executive category 52 sales points. Weekly maximum team sales incentive 1 lakh rupees. Premium category 100 sales points. Weekly maximum team sales incentive 1 lakh rupees 50,000. Minimum payment will be paid 500 and above. 1 matching sales point equals 10 rupees. You should activate your direct seller ID every month according to your rank. Deduction TDS according to government norms 5% admin charges. 3 simple steps to earn money. Use the product. Get the result. Share with people. Type of income. 1. Retail profit. 2. Team sales incentive. 3. Sales rank bonus. 4. Sales rank rewards. 5. Sales rank travel bonus. 6. Quick promotion bonus. 7. Repurchase income. Asclepius Wellness Foundation. Present. Family Security Fund. Jindagi ke saath bhi. Jindagi ke baad bhi. Emerald 1 lakh rupees. Topaz 2 lakh rupees. Ruby Star 3 lakh rupees. Sapphire 4 lakh rupees. Star Sapphire 8 lakh 20,000 rupees. Diamond 12 lakh 40,000 rupees. Blue Diamond 22 lakh rupees. And 2 children 1 to 12th education. Retail profit 20%. Benefit of sharing with peoples. MRP. DP. Retail profit 10,000 purchasing 2,000 benefit. 1 lakh purchasing 20,000 benefit. 10 lakh purchasing 2 lakh benefit. Sales incentive. Sales bonus. Bonus team 1,000 rupees. Incentive team 1,000 rupees. Matching 1,000 rupees. Bonus team 2,000 rupees. Incentive team 1,000 rupees. Matching 1,500 rupees. Total 2,500 rupees. 100 sale point 1 ID. SAO 100 sale point plus SGO 100 sale point equals 1,000 rupees. 1,000 to 1 lakh 50,000 weekly. 6 lakh monthly. Sales rank bonus. U. A plus B. A and C plus B. Bronze rank. 1,500 rupees bonus. Bonus team 200 sales point plus incentive team 100 sales point. Silver rank. 4,500 rupees bonus. Bonus team 600 sales point plus incentive team 300 sales point. Gold rank. 9,000 rupees bonus. Bonus team 1,200 sales point plus incentive team 600 sales point. Platinum rank. 20,000 rupees bonus. Bonus team 2,400 sales point plus incentive team 1,200 sales point. Emerald rank. 45,000 rupees bonus. Bonus team 4,800 sales point plus incentive team 2,400 sales point. No time limit. No condition. Weekly closing. Every Wednesday. Payment in 1 days after weekly closing. First rank. Bronze DS. SAO 200 sale point. Plus SGO 100 sale point. 2S to 1 equals 1,000 rupees plus 1,500 rupees. Total achievement 2,500 rupees. Second rank. Silver DS. SAO 600 sale point plus SGO 300 sale point. 6S to 3 equals 3,000 rupees plus 4,500 rupees. Total achievement 7,500 rupees. Third rank. Gold DS. SAO 1,200 sale point plus SGO 600 sale point 12S to 6 equals 6,000 rupees plus 9,000 rupees. Total achievement 15,000 rupees. Fourth rank. Platinum DS. SAO 2,400 sale point plus SGO 1,200 sale point 24 to 12 equals 12,000 rupees. Plus 20,000 rupees. Total achievement 32,000 rupees. 6th rank, Topaz DS. SAO 12,000 sale point plus SGO 6,000 sale point equals 120. 60 equals 60,000 rupees plus 1,50,000 rupees. Total achievement 2,10,000 rupees plus life security 2,00,000 rupees and 2 children 12 class free education from any board in India. Plus 3 night 4 day self tour Thailand. 7th rank, Ruby Star DS. SAO 24,000 sale point plus SGO 12,000 sale point equals 240. 120 equals 1,20,000 rupees plus 1,80,000 rupees. Total achievement 3,00,000 plus life security 3,00,000 rupees plus 2 children 12 class free education from any board in India. Plus 50,000 rupees bike fund. 8th rank, Sapphire DS. SAO 48,000 sale point plus SGO 24,000 sale point equals 480. 240 equals 2,40,000 rupees plus 3,60,000 rupees. Total achievement 6,00,000 plus life security 4,00,000 rupees plus 2 children 12 class free education from any board in India plus 3 night 4 day Dubai tour with family. 9th rank, Star Sapphire DS. SAO 96,000 sale point plus SGO 48,000 sale point equals 960. 480 equals 4,80,000 rupees plus 8,20,000 rupees. Total achievement 13,00,000 plus life security 8,20,000 rupees plus 2 children 12 class free education from any board in India plus 6,00,000 ka fund plus 4 night 5 day self tour Tascam. 10th rank, Diamond DS. SAO 1,92,000 sale point plus SGO 96,000 sale point equals 1920. 960 equals 9,60,000 rupees plus 12,40,000 rupees. Total achievement 22,00,000 plus life security 12,40,000 rupees plus 2 children 12 class free education from any board in India plus 9,00,000 ka fund plus 4 night 5 day Hong Kong tour with family plus extra 5,00,000 rupees only for female and physical handicap persons. 11 rank, Blue Diamond DS. SAO 3,84,000 sale point plus SGO 1,92,000 sale point equals 3,840. 1920 equals 19,20,000 rupees plus 22,00,000 rupees. Total achievement 41,20,000 rupees plus life security 22,00,000 rupees plus 2 children 12 class free education from any board in India plus 3 night 4 day Maldives tour with family plus 5,00,000 rupees gold fund. 12 rank, Black Diamond DS. SAO 7,68,000 sale point plus SGO 3,84,000 sale point equals 7,680. 3,840 equals 38,40,000 rupees plus 35,00,000 rupees. Total achievement 73,40,000 rupees plus 12,00,000 rupees car fund plus 4 night 5 day self tour St. Petersburg, Russia. 13 rank, Royal Diamond DS. SAO 15,36,000 sale point plus SGO 7,68,000 sale point 15,360 to 7,680 equals 76,80,000 rupees plus 44,00,000 rupees. Total achievement 1,20,80,000 rupees plus 15,00,000 rupees ka fund plus 4 night 5 day Singapore or Malaysia tour with family. 14 rank, Crown Diamond DS. SAO 30,72,000 sale point plus SGO 15,36,000 sale point 30,720 to 15,360 equals 1,53,60,000 rupees plus 74,00,000 rupees. Total achievement 2,27,60,000 rupees plus 19,00,000 rupees house fund plus 5 day 6 night Moscow tour with family. 15 rank, Ambassador DS. SAO 61,44,000 sale point plus SGO 30,72,000 sale point 61,440, S2 30,720. Equals 3 crore 7 lakh 20,000 rupees. Plus 1 crore 25 lakh rupees. Total achievement, 4 crore 32 lakh 20,000 rupees. Plus 25 lakh rupees ka fund plus 5-day 6-night self-tour. Australia. 16 rank, Royal Ambassador DS, SAO, 1 crore 22 lakh 88,000 sale point. Plus SGO, 61 lakh 44,000 sale point. 122,880, S2 61,440. Equals 6 crore 14 lakh 40,000 rupees. Plus 2 crore 50 lakh rupees. Total achievement, 8 crore 64 lakh 40,000 rupees. Plus 35 lakh rupees ka fund. 17 rank, Crown Ambassador DS, SAO, 2 crore 45 lakh 76,000 sale point. Plus SGO, 1 crore 22 lakh 88,000 sale point. 245,760, S2 122,880. Equals 12 crore 28 lakh 80,000 rupees. Plus 5 crore rupees. Total achievement, 17 crore 28 lakh 80,000 rupees. Plus 50 lakh rupees ka fund. 18 rank, Brand Ambassador DS, SAO, 4 crore 91 lakh 52,000 sale point. Plus SGO, 2 crore 45 lakh 76,000 sale point. 491,520, S2 245,760. Equals 24 crore 57 lakh 60,000 rupees. Plus 10 crore rupees. Total achievement, 34 crore 57 lakh 60,000 rupees. Plus 2 crore rupees ka fund plus 5-day 6-night Australia tour with family. Good health, money freedom, car freedom, world tour. FSS Education Kit. Fighter Success System. Kit price, only 600 rupees. Monthly repurchase. 1. Fresher monthly, 0 sale point required. 2. Bronze DS monthly 5 sale points required. 3. Silver DS monthly 5 sale points required. 4. Gold DS monthly 5 sale points required. 5. Platinum DS monthly 5 sale points required. 6. Emerald DS monthly 5 sale points required. 7. Topaz DS monthly 15 sale points required. 8. Ruby Star DS monthly 15 sale points required. 9. Sapphire DS monthly 15 sale points required. 10. Star Sapphire DS monthly 45 sale points required. 11. Diamond DS monthly 45 sale points required. 12. Blue Diamond DS monthly 45 sale points required. 13. Black Diamond DS monthly 45 sale points required. 14. Royal Diamond DS monthly 45 sale points required. 15. Crown Diamond DS monthly 45 sale points required. 16. Ambassador DS monthly 45 sale points required. 17. Royal Ambassador DS monthly 45 sale points required. 18. Brand Ambassador DS monthly 45 sale points required. Thank you for watching.